So hey everyone, this is Karan here. You are welcome to Tech Karan YouTube channel. I'm back with a new video, and today in this video I'm gonna show you the most awaited video of from my channel, that how you can install Oxygen OS custom ROM on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. I will show you all the steps you required how to install this ROM on a device. This is some tricky process, so make sure you have downloaded all these required files like Google Play Store, Activity Manager, Oxygen OS vendor.image, Oxygen OS boot.image and Oxygen OS system.image. All file links are in description, so go and download them all, and let's now take a look and let's get straight to the video. Okay, so first of all, as you have already downloaded all these files, okay, so the first step what you have to do is you have to boot into custom recovery. Okay, so make sure you have downloaded all these files and have stored it in your internal storage, or any, if you have SD card then you can choose that storage also. So let us suppose that you have installed TWRP custom recovery, like I have TWRP custom recovery. In my case, you can use your own custom recovery also if you want, like PBRP or Orange Fox, whichever recovery you want. First of all, decrypt your data once, and it will take some time, so just wait for it. As you can see, data is successfully decrypted. So the steps are very simple. Just simply go to advanced wipe, Dalvik, cache, system, vendor, data. Don't wipe internal storage if you have files stored in your internal storage like me. So just simply go to swipe to wipe. It will take some time, so just wait for it to properly wipe your data or wipe your partitions. Okay, as everything is done, simply go to install and locate where you have stored those files. Here just use install image. Here we have all these three files: system.image, vendor.image, boot.image. You will install all these files one by one. If you choose system.image or vendor.image, you can choose anything firstly. So let us choose OOS vendor. If you are choosing vendor.image, then just select vendor.vendor image, swipe to confirm flash. It will take some time, so just wait for it to properly complete. It will take some seconds, so be patient. Make sure you have proper time to install this custom ROM. It has some bugs, so make sure you watch this video till the end. I will show you how to solve those bugs. So as you can see, vendor.image is flashed successfully. Just go back, install system.image. So select system image, swipe to confirm flash. It will take some time. As you can see, the process progress bar is there, so this is where you can see that how much time it will take. You can estimate according to this, so just wait for it. It will not take that much time like other custom ROMs. It will take, I think, around 10 to 15 seconds more, so let us wait. I don't think so, 10 to 15 seconds. Just now. Hope so soon. As you can see, it is just going to done, and here it is, almost done. And here it is, you can see OOS system.image is almost done now. Here it is, image flash completed. Just go back again, and the last one is OOS boot.image. So select boot and swipe to confirm flash. It will not take that much time. Everything is done. As you are installing this ROM is based on Android 10, so you have to format data if you want to boot up. So just format data, YES. So just simply click here and it will format your data. Don't wipe, you have to format your data. Okay, as you can see, formatting data is almost done, and now just reboot system. If it say you know OS installed, are you sure to reboot, just swipe to confirm. It will reboot into your OS now, so just wait for it to properly boot up. It will take some time. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes, so I am not going to take that much time. You can see it will be stuck at this logo for some time, but don't worry, your phone will be booted successfully. It will take some time to boot again and again, and after that you will be booted into Oxygen OS custom ROM based on Android 10 for Redmi Note 8. Okay, so let's be patient and wait for the process to complete. there is no boot animation, but the screen light is telling me that this phone is booting. So don't worry if you see these type of screen, if you see that there is no boot animation, then don't worry, you can see by this that your phone is booting up, so it will take some time. Okay, so let us wait for it to boot up. I'm not going to skip any part. I will show you everything. I will show you everything, how this how much time this will take. And if you don't have any backup etc, then make sure you could get proper backup before installing this OS on your device, because sometimes it goes tricky, sometimes it goes bad with your device. So in that case, if you had backup, then it would be great for you, and if you don't have backup, then that could be difficult for you to do anything with your device. So okay, so here it is. As you can see, we are successfully booted into Oxygen OS device, and here it is. It just looks nice. It seriously looks great. So this is how you can install this OS on your device. How to fix the bugs, I will show you this in next video, so make sure you subscribe me. The next video is going to how to solve these bugs. So this is how you can install. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, see you in the next video.